Hey guys, hope y'all are doing okay. Coming at you with another quick unboxing. Ooh, give me a second. Let me grab something to open this box with. Okay, here we go. This came in the mail actually yesterday. Just got around to opening it today and thought you guys might be interested. It's a pair of shoes. You know, shoes have gotten really hard lately. Like, if you want a pair of shoes, that really doesn't mean anything. I mean, it's just hard to get shoes. Like, a pair of shoes I've wanted all year that I just have not been lucky enough to get are the Supreme Air Force Ones, or any of these custom or these collaboration Nike Dunks or anything like that. And so this I randomly found it became available, a pair of Air Force Ones that kind of had some styles similar to these other things, and I just wanted to show them to you. There's the box label, and let's see, what does it say? It says Air Force One 07, $90 price in men's size 12. That's my size. Let's just see what exactly came. Get rid of that. Air Force One wrapping paper, and here they are. These are kind of like a, I don't know, like a consolation prize, I guess, for not being able to get the Supreme Air Force Ones. And sure, I could pay resale for those, but I think it's a lot of money to pay for a pair of Air Force Ones that are, while awesome, it's just, you know, they don't have enough difference from a regular pair of Air Force Ones to warrant it. And so I felt like these had some interesting features that separated them from other Air Force Ones. And, you know, red and white are always going to be classic colors. And so this has a really loud, bright, well-defined red sole, a big red swoosh, Nike Air on the tongue in red, and then big Nike Air in red on the back of the shoe. And so these are certainly no replacement for Supreme Air Force Ones or any of the really nice you know, Dunks that have come out this year. But I feel like as a general release shoe, and I'm kind of like the king of general release shoes, as you will know if you watch any of my videos, but as a general release shoe, I feel like this has a lot of potential to be something that people will remember and kind of be like, oh yeah, I remember when those red sole Air Force Ones came out. Anyway, I hope you like this quick look at these shoes. I like them. You know, the bright white hits of the gym red, you cannot go wrong with that. Earlier this year, I got the Jordan 1 lows in the gym red, kind of like the poor man's you know, Chicago colorway. And so I think these are going to go nicely with it. They're different enough to be like a totally different shoe. And I don't think anybody is debating about whether or not, you know, Jordan 1 lows are over Air Force Ones. Obviously, Air Force Ones are like the original, the OG. And so I think these are a cool pair of shoes. Anyway, I hope you like this quick rambling look at a new pair of shoes I got that are maybe a slight consolation prize for Supreme Air Force Ones and a slight consolation prize for all these great Nike SB Dunks that have come out that mere mortals like me can't get a hold of. Anyway, I hope you like this video and thank you for supporting me. Bye.